Hey smoothie lovers, it's Zahidul and today I'm showing you how to whip up a delicious mixed berry yogurt smoothie in just 3 minutes. Whether you need a quick breakfast, a midday pick-me-up, or just something refreshing, this is the smoothie for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your blender. You don't need anything fancy, just something that can handle frozen fruit. Now here's what you'll need. 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of milk, any kind you like, dairy or non-dairy, and a tablespoon of honey. That's it. 4 simple ingredients, tons of flavor. Start by adding your frozen berries to the blender. These are packed with antioxidants and give your smoothie that vibrant color and tangy punch. Next, scoop in your Greek yogurt. This is where the magic happens. It makes your smoothie creamy, adds protein, and keeps you full for hours. Pour in your milk. If you want a thicker smoothie, use less. For something more sippable, add a little extra. And now, the honey. This brings just the right touch of sweetness to balance out the berry's tartness. Now, pop on the lid and blend it all up. I usually start on a low setting, then crank it up to high until everything's totally smooth. Should take about 45 seconds. Take a quick peek, and if you like your smoothies extra thick, you can toss in a few ice cubes and blend again. Alright, time to pour. The color is gorgeous, deep purple, super inviting. Give it a quick taste. If you want it sweeter, add a bit more honey and blend for just a few seconds. And that's it. In less time than it takes to check your social feed, you've got a refreshing, healthy smoothie ready to go. Pro tip: if you're making this for a crowd, just double or triple the ingredients. You can even freeze the leftovers in popsicle molds for a fun summer treat. So next time you're craving something quick and tasty, remember this mixed berry yogurt smoothie. Try it with a splash of vanilla, a sprinkle of chia seeds, or your favorite nut butter if you want to mix things up. The possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, tasty ideas. Thanks for blending along with me. See you in the next one.